Found an ORX file from Rexx programming. These are source code files for the Open Object Rexx programming language used in scripting and automation. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with these Open Object Rexx source files. Pro tip for ORX. Files that won't cooperate, you need a dedicated magic solution. I'll share my secret weapon program once we've exhausted all 3 troubleshooting steps. ORX. Files are source code files written in Open Object Rexx, ooRexx, an object-oriented version of the classic Rexx scripting language. They contain program logic class definitions, method implementations, and script commands, used for system automation, application scripting, and general-purpose programming on multiple operating systems. ORX. Files use ooRexx syntax with classes, methods, routines, variable assignments, control structures, and built-in function calls in plain text format. The language follows Rexx traditions with object-oriented extensions, providing full programming capabilities while maintaining Rexx's straightforward syntax and string handling strengths. Your first application to test with ORX should be Open Object Rexx from Rexx Language Association. Full multi-track access requires a utility specifically designed for the media format. Windows shows only raw code, so real operation requires dedicated scripting tools. To resolve the incompatible file format error, right-click the ORX file and choose Open With. Prioritize Open Object Rexx if available. If absent, choose another application. We are searching for the correct file link. If your ORX file isn't cooperating, don't worry. The failure of the file is predictable. Here are the most common technical reasons this specific ORX error occurs on most Windows systems. First, opening in text editor. Open ORX files in any text editor, including Notepad++, Visual Studio Code, or Sublime Text. Many editors provide Rexx or ooRexx syntax highlighting through extensions enhancing code readability. The plain text format makes ORX files easy to view and edit on any platform. Next, running with ooRexx. Execute ORX programs using the Open Object Rexx interpreter by running rexscript.orx from the command line after installing ooRexx from Rexx.la. The interpreter parses and executes the source code directly, without requiring compilation, enabling rapid script development and testing. Finally, debugging programs. Debug ORX scripts using the ooRexx interpreter's trace facility by adding trace statements to the code or running Rexx with trace options enabled. The trace output shows program execution flow variable values and conditional evaluations helping identify and fix issues in script logic. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.